Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. Countries part of the Syrian peace process are meeting in Geneva on Monday to discuss accusations that the cessation of hostilities that began over the weekend have been violated. The Syrian opposition and Russia have accused each other of breaching the agreement, and the High Negotiations Committee, which represents the opposition, says the regime broke the cessation 15 times the first day alone. The US and Russia proposed the deal last week. It doesn't include Daesh, Nusra Front, or other groups the UN Security Council considers terrorists. A group of asylum seekers have forced their way through the fence at the border with Greece. Macedonian police used tear gas to try to stop them. Around 6,500 people are still waiting across the border in Greece, and Athens says that at least another 50,000 refugees will join them by next month. In recent weeks, many countries in the Balkans and Eastern Europe have capped the number of people who can pass through. The government has removed more than 20,000 non-existent staff from its payroll. The salaries of these so-called ghost workers was about $11.5 million. President Muhammadu Buhari took office last year and has promised to crack down on corruption. Nigeria is a country that exports oil, and the recent fall in oil prices has made the current economic crisis worse. Starbucks is set to open its first Italian branch in Milan. That's where the company's CEO first got the idea to open Starbucks during a visit 36 years ago. Starbucks is now in 67 countries and has more than 22,000 stores. Its Milan outlet will be run by its Italian business partner, Percassi. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.